In Primavera P6, you can create many activity codes according to specific requirements and assign them to the activities. For instance, let's say your project has several phases and you want to review the performance of each phase by analyzing the activities. For this purpose, the first thing is to create an activity code and name it as phases. First, we will define activity codes and assign them to each activity. To define the activity codes, select Enterprise. Click on Activity Codes. There are three options available. We select the option Project for assigning codes. We will select the Modify button in the Activity Codes. We will select the Add button in the Activity Code Definitions project. We will type phases for the code name and select Close. Then we will turn back to the Activity Codes window and see the Activity Types code. By selecting Add, we will define all the activity types such as Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3 under this. After creating all the codes, we will close this window and turn back to assign them. The easiest way of assigning activity codes to the activities is to use the columns. To do this, we will add the column phases to the activities table and assign the activity codes that we defined. Then all the activity codes are assigned to the activities. Now it is easy to filter, group, or sort them. Go to Filter. Create a new one. Name it as Activity Code Filter. Parameter as Phases is under Phase 1. Apply it. Now we can see the filter for Phase 1 only. Similarly, we can group and sort activity codes. Go to Group and Sort. Group by phases. Apply it. Now we can see all the activity separately under phases. Go to Reports tab. Create a new one by clicking Add. Click on Activities. Select the option we need from columns. I just adding activity ID, name, status, actual start and actual finish. Now we group and sort by phases. Give report title as activity codes. Before saving, just run the report. Now we can see the report of activity codes in the project. If we want to filter by particular phase, go to the filter options and select the phase we need. By filtering, we can see only the report of particular phase in the project. Finally, save the file. Thanks for watching my video. For further more videos, please subscribe my channel.